What is the world's oldest active volcano? It is Mount Etna. It is located in Sicily, Italy. It is active for 500,000 plus years. It is Europe's largest active volcano. Etna is constantly monitored due to its volcanic activity. Its most recent major eruption occurred in June of 2025. Here, scientists can be seen monitoring equipment as lava flows down the volcano's slopes, creating a river of fire. On the left, we have a close-up of the lava flows. On the right, we have some historical eruption footage compared to some recent activity from 2025. From this angle, we can see the true massive scale of Etna's 3,403 meters in height. To put that into perspective, here are the nearby populated areas of Catania and Messina. Here is a time-lapse showing the ash clouds billowing out from the top of the volcano. Up next, we have a stunning sunset shot of the volcano with the caption, "Nature's most enduring fire." Below that, 500,000 years of continuous activity. And finally, the ancient volcano that never sleeps. This is the final shot. A dramatic crater close-up with glowing lava. Thanks for watching.